The largest music festival, Reggae Sumfest, plans on showing its appreciation to the people of Montego Bay through their new Community Fest initiative. The event was recently added to their lineup of pre-events. Now the Community Fest will combine a full day of activities, which includes a fun day for children with a range of rides and games, entertainment by the youth of Montego Bay, and a plethora of community services including medical tests and consultations by Hospitan. The Community Fest will be held on the lawns of Pier 1 on July 18. Now, the event aims to showcase their appreciation for the people of Montego Bay for their hospitality and support of the festival over the past 29 years. Reggae Sumfest also recently announced dancehall artist Aishana added to the lineup of acts. News broke yesterday following Jada Kingdom's Instagram announcement that she will no longer be performing on the show come July 23. Aishana is scheduled to take the stage on night 1 of the festival. The return of Reggae Sumfest will run from July 18 to 23. Dancehall artist Craig has been making waves with his debut solo album dubbed Listen to Me. The album was released on June 24 and debuted at number 5 on the sales-driven current reggae iTunes chart. Listen to Me features collaborations with Ding Dong, DeMarco, Aji, Munga Honorable and others. The album is a follow-up to his 2014 EP, Me, My Evolution. Craig is a member of the popular dancehall duo Voicemail. The duo is known for their slew of party anthems including Wacky Dip, Dance, No Behavior, and Do What You Feel Like. Now, on the international scene, Rolling Stone has announced a documentary series that is set to explore the legal troubles of rapper Young Thug and his YSL Records label. Young Thug is accused of co-founding the street gang that has reportedly committed murders, shootings, and carjackings around Atlanta. The rapper was charged alongside fellow rapper Gunna and 26 others for being involved in the Young Slime Life Atlanta street gang. Prosecutors are pushing for the use of lyrics from the rapper's music as evidence against him. His catalog of international hits includes songs like Lifestyle, Go Crazy, and Gang, which speaks to a thug life. I'm Daedran reporting for E! Prime.